If you want to create a header like this using Woodmart in your WordPress WooCommerce theme, so first go to your WordPress dashboard, and from there Woodmart theme you will find header builder. So I am now in header builder, and you will see some or builders I already created. So you see the star. This is my current header design. So let's edit it and see what's in that. So in my top bar I disable it. I don't want to show it in your my desktop and also in mobile. So this is the first top priority, and then here is the logo, a search button, and some wish list. Okay, you'll see that my main header has a logo. You can add element like this. Click on add element, and you can add multiple elements from there. So the next column, I need a search bar. So I am using a search bar and a space between these. So using some space. And now I'm using a space and account, wish list, compare, and cart. Account, wish list, compare, and a cart section for this. And under that, I am using a menu and a social button. So my header bottom is social button, header menu, and a social link icon. So you can add elements from there. So let's see how this select category is using and the search for product. So click on the search button and you will see an edit. So now you can see that display has full screens. You will see that full screen options, full screen 2, and drop down test as you like. Just test it by saving it and reload your website theme. Okay, so I am using form right now, and the form, if you click on that show products category drop down, this is product category. I want product category as drop down, so click on it and some styles for it. And always on the ajax button, it will faster your WordPress search button. It will fasten your search. And here is this post type. You want to search for your entire website. If you click on all post type, so, but now we are in e-commerce website, so we want to show only the product. So our product type is, this is our WooCommerce, and this is product, and this is a new product type, and the type is product. So use your post type is product, and then save. So these will click your product search, and if you search by, let's say, cleanser, and I'm using search, so nothing held. So use a anything, any word, and click on it. So search for a and in cleanser, and since I am using Ajax, and this is more faster for your WordPress e-commerce website. So that's how you create a theme in Woodmart and your WooCommerce website.